Hey there, can you restore suspended account in Worldcoin? So I was just browsing a lot of Reddits, and there are really some issues with some accounts, and like, just to be honest, it can be quite complicated to restore your suspended account. Maybe, if you didn't verify with Orb, it would be just easier to create a new account, but then of course you missed all the grants. So you can always just go and try to contact their support. So just try to create a ticket here, just whatever, just create this. But some people on Reddit write that they created like 20 tickets or 10 tickets, and it usually doesn't help. So first of all, just don't try to do some shady stuff. Don't try, to have multiple WorldCoin accounts, trying to verify with some other person, trying to log. Like if you try to, sometimes people on Reddit write that if you have multiple phones and you try to log out and log in from different phones and, using your WorldCoin on 3 different phones, this can raise some suspicion and your account can be blocked. And then it's quite hard to get it back because their support service is really crappy. There are not many people. The app is quite buggy, so just don't lead to that point. But if your account is already suspended, I don't know, just contact support, create like 5 tickets. I don't know what else like you can do. Go on on WorldCoin official subreddit. There is quite a bigger community there, and just try to raise your case. Maybe it will get resolved.